My name is Demondis Stanberry. Most of the time I go by Mondo though. I'm from Waterloo, Iowa, and I'm in auto collision technologies. I wanted to go to college, wanted to do something hands-on, so it just seemed like the perfect program because I also like cars too. So I was like, yeah, when you put all the puzzle pieces together, this kind of went from something that I was like, yeah, I could probably see myself doing, I don't really know, to like I got a job doing it now already. I was like, I kind of like it. I like it a lot. All the skills I've been learning, like basically, well, sanding, blocking, painting, spray painting, stuff like that, mixing colors, and I just know, as of right now, I just want to further my education and just get smarter, develop more skills, and just get things under my belt right now. Don't be afraid to be outgoing. Everyone's just as shy as you are. Everyone's just as nervous as you are, especially on the first day. No one's comfortable. I guess just don't be afraid to be outgoing. Worst thing come to worst, you put yourself out there and yeah, someone's gonna end up liking the energy you have, you know? Because of Hawkeye, I've been able to just overall, I feel like grow as a person, grow as a character, get better skills, just better skills under my belt, whether it be applicable in a job field, like you can write it down as I got this skill, you can look it up, or just skills that you apply within yourself. Because of Hawkeye, I just been able to change as a person for the better, I think. Yeah, I would recommend Hawkeye Community College. Like my sister, she's graduating, and I'm not one to like force college on one, but I'm like, you know, why not go to Hawkeye, do the last dollar scholarship for something, and make our grandma happy, you know, I guess that's something else too. Yeah, there's nothing like making your grandma proud. That's one of the best feelings, you know.